Hello and namaste from the top of the world. This is Surabhu Thapa from Blackbird. Blackbird has recorded 96th position in the whole Asia. So I'm very much privileged to get as a bartender over here. So explaining about the Blackbird, it's a New York style bar and everybody loves here. The drinks and the ambience and the whole environment. So Blackbird is home for me. I played with syrups, bitters and spirits and essence well. It's been 7 months I've been working as a bartender and mixologist, and I love this place. I love the vibe, ambience and everything, and I've been living as a New York style lives. So we are making rum Negroni today. For the rum Negroni we do have Bacardi rum. It's a dark rum, smoky in flavor. So today I'm making Bacardi Negroni. Everyone loves cocktail. So हजुरहरुले पनि अब मजाले घरमा बसेर cocktail बनाउन सक्नुहुन्छ. I just got Cuba Libre home kit from Cheers. So Cuba Libre home kit मा चाहिँ हाम्रो Coke, Bacardi dark rum and ice. So यसको सबभन्दा interesting part चाहिँ you will get lemons too. So हजुरले जहाँ पनि जसरी पनि आफ्नो मजाको cocktails बनाएर खान सक्नुहुन्छ.